Hello students, how are you? Hopefully you are doing well. Our today's MCQs is about the preparation of ether by the Williamson synthesis. This reaction is used for the preparation of ether, either symmetrical ether or unsymmetrical ether. Symmetrical ether are those ether which contains the same alkyl group are called symmetrical ether, and unsymmetrical ether are those ether which contains the different alkyl group are called unsymmetrical ether. By Williamson synthesis, you can prepare both either symmetrical ether or unsymmetrical ether. So, what will be the reaction for the preparation of ether, either symmetrical or unsymmetrical? You have to take the alcohol as a reagent. The alcohol will be the CH3 single bond CH2 single bond O single bond H. It is the ethyl alcohol, and the another reagent is sodium hydride. So here there are two reactants. So how the reaction will takes place in both of these reagents? The oxygen of alcohol will have the partial negative charge, and the hydrogen of alcohol will have the partial positive charge. Why? Because due to the electronegativity difference. So whenever this bond will break, the bond pair of electrons will be taken by the oxygen atom. Why? Because it is more electronegative than hydrogen. So in the future, this oxygen will have the pure negative charge, and this hydrogen will have the pure positive charge. What does it mean? It will donate the proton. And in sodium hydride, the sodium will have the positive charge, and the hydrogen will have the negative charge because it is the ionic compound. Why? Because it is a combination of metal and non-metal. Oxygen will have the negative charge. It will combines with the sodium to form the product. The product will be the CH3 single bond CH2 single bond ONA. This is the salt. Why it is called salt? Oxygen has the negative charge and sodium has the positive charge. It is the salt which is called sodium oxide. Okay, so the byproduct will be this H plus will combines with H negative to produce the hydrogen gas. So in the next step, the sodium oxide CH3 single bond CH2 single bond ONA. The oxygen has the negative charge and sodium has the positive charge. So in the second step, you have to react this salt with the alkyl halide, any kind of alkyl halide. So I am taking the ethyl bromide CH3 single bond CH2 single bond Br. You can take the methyl bromide. Whenever you take the methyl bromide, it will produce the unsymmetrical ether. What does it mean? Which means that I am going to prepare the symmetrical ether. In this step, you have to decide that either you want to prepare the symmetrical ether or unsymmetrical ether in this step. Okay, so what will be the charges? In alkyl halide, the carbon will have the partial positive charge and the bromine will have the partial negative charge. What does it mean? It means that whenever this bond will breaks, the bonding electron pair, the bond pair will be taken by the bromine. Why? Because the electronegativity of bromine is more than carbon. So, in the future, this carbon will have the pure positive charge and this bromine will have the pure negative charge to produce the bromide ion. And this oxygen will attack on the electrophilic carbon as a nucleophile. Okay, so what will be the product? So the product will be the CH3 single bond CH2 single bond O single bond. This whole group, ethyl group, will attach with this oxygen. So CH2 single bond CH3. So the symmetrical ether is produced and the byproduct will be the Na has the positive charge and this Br will have the negative charge. Both will combine with each other to form the sodium bromide. This is the symmetrical ether. And what is the name of this symmetrical ether? It is the diethyl ether. Okay, this is the common name of ether. Whenever you want to name it by IUPAC name, it is called in IUPAC names, it is ethoxyethane. So you can prepare the unsymmetrical ether by this method, by taking methyl alcohol or by taking methyl bromide. It is all depends on you by taking the different reagents. Either alcohol will be different or either this alkyl halide will be different. Hopefully you get it. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.